Hello there, welcome again to our series of topic from Get Data Solution. In today's topic, we'll see monthly sales report for company X or XY. Here is a monthly sales report, which is dynamically changes. Just before we're going to today's topic, let me actually say something about Get Data Solution. Get Data Solution is a channel that produces dashboard and other data management tools, and its purpose is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce cost, to increase productivity, to manage project, to manage business, and to learn new skills. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and sharing. This is the reason why you should subscribe for Get Data Solution. The first reason is to manage your business. The products, tools, and dashboard created by Get Data Solution are helpful to manage your business. They are helpful to manage your project, helpful to manage your work. It's also automate your activity and increase your productivity, and you can also learn something new skills from the channel, and above all, it will actually help you to make informed decision. So those are the reason why you should subscribe to Get Data Solution. Let me directly go to today's topic, which is a monthly sales report. So for this purpose, I have used these 5 products: smartphones, laptops, tablets, smart TV, and headphones. So this is the monthly sales data for each day, and considering Sunday and Saturday and Sunday will be depending on the companies. It could be off days. Otherwise, if you can work on those days, you can actually insert for Saturday and Sunday as well. So to create this function, we have used different function. For example, text function is the first one in cell B4. Can you see it? Here is, we have used text function to create days, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. The other one is to we have used this drop down function especially for months. You can go here and just select any month of your interest. For example, currently I have selected January. If I make February, for example, it will actually update it. And considering also the month for February is 29. Let me get back to January. So that is how it is, very dynamic. The other function we have used is the date value function, start of the month, cell S3. Here is date value function. We have used that to create dynamic changing of the months, including the number of dates. The other function we have used is the end month function. The end month function is also used to just dynamically adjust for changes in the number of days by months. So the last one is the if function. The if function is used to just progressively increase the number of days. So those are the 5 functions we have used to create this. And so once you have filled your data, sales data for these 5 products, you'll get summary here for the month, for that particular month, and the highest selling product will be highlighted automatically. Currently laptops sales value is 101 and headphones is 97. The two are the highest product and highlighted as well. So let's see for the month of February. Let me just change first to February and see the data. So I have to fill this data until the end. So currently laptop and headphones are actually let me actually add some values randomly for those products for these days. So you can simply add your numbers and it will automatically create for you the aggregate sum and also highlights the top selling products. In this particular case for February, smartphones and tablet are the two products which are actually sold in great numbers. So this is very dynamic and you can just simply change the months and it will actually update for you everything. So if you want to create a file for March, you have to go to right click and move copy, then create value for March. Let me rename it March, and let me bring it here, and simply I have to go to here and select the March month from drop down list, then it can actually update. And for the March you have to restart from, since I have actually copied the previous months, I have to delete and restart again. Let me actually fill again with some numbers. For March, and always Monday will be highlighted with green color. That is purposely done to actually make it find the entry table. Let me put for March 4 in this particular case with some numbers, and you can continue like inserting your sales performance on each day. And if you actually do also for, if you have a sales on Saturday and Sunday, you can also fill that as well, but in most of the cases Saturday and Sunday are off days. That's why it is actually it's highlighted as a red. So in this, for the March, can you see it? Smartphones, we have sold 28 smartphones and 50 laptops, which is a highlight directly. So this is very important for organizations and for different people. Let me actually highlight the function of this tool. It is easy to and convenient to enter the data. It automatically updates sales for each month. It automatically generates sales achievement, save time, avoid manual calculation, simple to view by month or by product, convenient to share to sales department or managers. It's also helpful to support follow-up and also let the team or department to know progress as a team. So you can print it and use it for decision making. This is recommended for factories, electronic shops, business organizations, small and large business owners, shops, service giving organizations, and sales departments. So that is it, and you can also have here is an instruction. In the first one, you have to select the month, then insert your data, then save it, then it will automatically generate it. So that is it, and so you can use this template to track your sales data, and you have to simply select the month, then otherwise you have to put your data. So it is very simple, but it is very productive and very important. And thank you very much, and bye bye.